Hey everybody, and Happy New Year. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick bun in my hair. I know I did a bun, a messy bun, but this time my hair is wet and I'm just going to slick this hair back as best as I can and just go from there because I want to do some videos today. I want to do some makeup tutorials and everything for you guys today, and I want my hair to be out of my face. I want you guys to see everything that I'm working on. I have some new foundations that I want to play with. I got some new eyeshadows that I want to play with. So I just want you guys to really pay attention to the face. So I'm going to go ahead and just basically slick my hair back and out of the way. You see how much shrinkage I get when my hair is wet. So that's why I like to wear my hair blow dried mostly, and it doesn't have to be bone straight, just blow dried, but I really like the look that it gives me because, like I said, my hair is so shrunken. So what did everybody do for New Year's Eve? Please leave it down below in the comment section. I love to know. My family brought in the new year by playing Uno. Actually, we were all in my room playing Uno and we had a nice time. And when we watched the TV, we watched the ball drop in New York and everything, and just had a nice time together. So I couldn't have asked for anything more. You know, lots of gunshots were heard last night as well as fireworks, and I really wish people would just stop. It's so dangerous. I don't know why people do that. It's like, you know, the same force and velocity it goes up, it's going to come back down. We all know these things, but people continue to do that, and I just don't understand it. It's so dangerous. I did go to the beauty supply store. I bought this brush. I bought another brush too, but this one is really hard and sturdy, and to me it really gets down to the scalp and brushes and massages like you want. Also, I have my Eco Styling Gel olive oil. So let me show you that. I got a big tub of it because I said, you know what? I might be doing some gel back styles more often. I also have some finishing spray here. It's from OGX. I think that company used to be named Organics. I did a few reviews for them a long time ago. But this is the elevated finishing spray for all day hold. And it really works good. So I'm going to be using that as well. I brought the camera up a little so you guys can see my hair. I've noticed that when my hair is like this, I have to kind of put gel all in between these areas because my hair is pretty thick. So it's almost like putting grease in my hair. I kind of got to put a little gel in between to get it to lay flatter. So that's what I'm doing. Alright, so we got some definite curl poppage going on here. This is the area that was bothering me the other day. It just stays so puffy up here. So I'm trying to lay that down as much as I can. Now, other people have their methods of doing this. This is how I do it. And I love a brush that can really get through to the scalp. I know that might not be a very good thing, but I love that scratching. And I know it's not good, but I love it. Who doesn't like to get their hair washed and somebody get in there with their nails and scratch their scalp? It feels so good. And that's what this brush gives me, a good old-fashioned wooden brush. It really makes me feel good. So I love it. Now this is the part that I dread because you will pop a band very quick. So wish me luck on this. God. Yo. Woo. Guys, I was thinking about combing the back of this pony into a bun, but now I have changed my mind. I think we're going to wear this in a curly puff and leave it alone. Oh my God. Have you ever been putting your hair, you see I'm winded. Oh my God, that hurts. Have you ever been putting your hair back into a ponytail and you can feel the rubber band like giving up on you? That's what it felt like. It's like that rubber band said, nope, nope. That's why I have a bunch more. Because I knew it was going to take more than one. I already popped one, I think, 2 days ago. So, I know. I don't want it too tight because I don't want a headache. But I at least want it to look, you know, kind of slick. And like I said, I'm not going to be combing this out. That's not good at all. This will be washed. The next time you see my hair, I will be washing it, deep conditioning, all of that stuff. We're starting off 2020 the right way. So all of that will be done. Don't really want to comb out all my little curls back here. It's like I'm combing. It's like I'm raking these little areas to kind of straighten them out just a little bit. And those curls are coming right back like boing, boing, boing. I can see them in the mirror here. I'm like, lay down. Okay, I'm going to wet my ponytail just a little bit. See if I can pop these curls a little bit more. And the ponytail part is more like a wash and go. It's going to be wet. We're going to make some curls pop with our gel. And then we're going to just let it do what it do. It's going to dry in that state. So. I got it slicked down as much as I can with just my gel, my water, and pulling it back. I'm going to go ahead and spray my hairspray. It's going to all work together, y'all. But the ponytail is really popping. Those curls are really, really popping. Now this area over here where I have a lot of gray hair right there, kind of looks like a bald spot in the camera, but I assure you, I don't have a bald spot. It does look like one though. See, it's slicking down a little bit better. And we're going to tie our scarf on. So while I do my makeup, my hair doesn't get all dusty. Let me see if I can bring it down a little bit more for the hair on my forehead here. Alright guys, it's going to take me about an hour to clean up my mess here and then do my makeup and then come back so you guys can see how slick and cute it looks for the first day of the new year. Wearing my natural curls and everything. And I'll be back, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so this is your finished hair. So those curls are really popping. They're nice and stiff now, but they're popping back there. And we're gelled down. I'm digging it, digging it, digging it. This is nice and subtle. I think that every time I go out of town, especially to Disney, I'm going to definitely wear my hair like this. This would have been great. I don't know what possessed me to wear a wig to Disney the last time. Y'all don't even want to know. It was a mess. But anyway, this is how I'll be wearing it from now on when I go. So I am loving this. Okay, so next time we do a hair video, it will definitely be a wash day. I have lots of things in store. I've purchased lots of natural hair products. I want to try them out. See what works best for me. I recently did wash day on my daughter's hair, so that's on my family vlog channel. I'll link it down below if you're interested in seeing what I used on their hair. And I actually did a whole tutorial, a bun tutorial on my daughter Gabby. And we did kind of like a flower girl type look. I'll link that below as well if you want to check out how I did her hair. And I think we're going to be doing a lot more hair videos over here on this channel this year. Remember, you told me you want to see it, so I am dedicating myself to doing it. That's one of my goals for this year, to take better care of my natural hair and actually take you guys for the ride. And we can, you know, talk about products down in the comments section and see what we like, we don't like. If there's a product you want me to try out or something, I would be willing to try it out. So, you know, you can leave your suggestions down below and let's make this a community. And that's about it. So I hope you like. It's definitely easy to do. And that's all. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Be sure you click that bell because YouTube is doing some very funny stuff. They have people who are subscribed to me saying that they're not subscribed anymore, and people who aren't subscribed saying, I don't know who you are, but you popped up on my feed. So I don't know how this thing is working. We knew that there was going to be lots of changes in 2020, but I don't know. I'm just grateful that you guys come back every time I put up a video. Just click that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Make sure you're subscribed. And that's about it. Oh yes, please share my videos. Help me grow. I would really appreciate that. That is one of my goals as well for 2020, is to grow this channel. So if you like the content, you feel like some of your friends, family members, other makeup or natural hair or natural nail enthusiasts will like it as well, please share it. I would really appreciate that. All right, talk to you in the next one. Cyber kisses. Bye.